Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A70 and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then locate and open General Management and click on Reset. And here you will find the first tab, which is Reset Settings. Simply click on it and now confirm that you would like to perform this operation by tapping on Reset Settings. Confirm it by tapping on Reset and wait until it's done. It may take a couple of seconds. And that's it, the settings have been reset. As you can see, the brightness level has been changed already, so we can increase them. And this is it, now we can set everything from the scratch. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.